Hey guys, what's up? Today I already prepared my eyebrows because I wanted to make it super fast. As you can see the background, today we'll try to imitate my own creation of Beetlejuice. So I have a picture that I'm gonna try, kind of like the colors very similar. So we're gonna see how we come off on this one. Let me just kind of take off the light. There you go, on that one because it was too bright. Okay, so since my eyebrows are started, I'm gonna go ahead and use my 12 Picasso. Let me see, hold on before I say it. Yeah, the 12 Picasso. We're gonna go with this purple right here, and then we're gonna put a little bit of black so we can kind of like bring it very dramatic. So let's get right to it, you guys. So to give it very pigmented, I'm gonna use with my NYX, and it's gonna be this one right here, and it's gonna be in the white. Okay, and now that we're done with that one, I'm gonna get just a regular brush, a flat brush to just dip it into that purple. And I'm recording with my iPad, so the quality shows good so far. So once I edit, we'll see. But and then if you hear some background noises, it's because there's like a few neighbors on the third house that they're like doing construction. So in case if you do, don't mind you guys. Since I want it super white on the top, I still want to keep that shape, that shade. So I'm gonna dip it into my NYX translucent powder, and it's this one right here. I can see so much better since it's like a big screen. I'm so used to editing, not editing but recording on my phone with the little the little screen. So I had to kind of like a little bit, but this one I can see everything. And then I put some hair gel, to glue this thing on a little bit. And you can see it's white, but it's okay because we're gonna put in a white wig, so it's fine. And now for right here, I'm gonna put in glitter, so why not? So for this case, I'm gonna try my NYX right here, my glitter primer. And I'm gonna put it all over my lid, but first I'm gonna correct it so I can know where it's gonna go. And then I'm using my green glitter. I'm gonna show it, but it shows blue. It actually translates into the background, so it's a green, highly green pigmented glitter. So let's use with the yellow one first with the glitter primer, and making sure you get all the edges. I'm gonna go with the green one. It might reflect the back, so we're gonna see. Just gonna put some like right here. So it's reflecting blue. I don't know why. So just gonna leave it like that, and then once I finish everything, then I'll show you the look. So as for right now, I'm gonna go in my e.l.f. right here, my eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put in white eyeliner so it can kind of stand out more my eyes. I'm gonna use purple glitter to put a little bit in here. I'm gonna use my the NYX, the same one, and then just put a dot because it's just like a little line that we're gonna put inside. So long as it shows just very little, not too much, you know, just to kind of reflect the look. And then for this, I'm just gonna put on this lashes from LA Color, and it's a dramatic lashes, and $9.76. And I'm gonna use my Kiss eyelash glue. Now I'm gonna get started with my foundation. I already primed my face. I have been loving this product right here. It leaves my face matte. So after this one, I still go on with my beauty blender, and I put some of the airspun so that way it can keep it a little bit more matte. So that's what I've been using since my face is super oily, and it's been working really good. Okay, so my shade that I'm going to use is the 220 in the Maybelline Super Stay. It looks like this. I haven't switched my foundations ever since I've been using this one. I love it. It's a very good foundation. So as for right now, I'm just gonna skip this step because I mean you guys have already seen what I do for my look and stuff like that for my foundation, and I'll just come back afterwards so I can show you the other little details that I'm gonna do. So now that we're done, I was gonna contour, but I prefer to contour green since it is like a Beetlejuice color. So I'm gonna try some to make it look kind of messy, not too perfect. So I'm gonna use one of the other brushes that I use, camouflages, a little bit of that green. Oh yeah, it's gonna camouflage, so don't worry about it. Like I said, once I'm done, I will give you the final results. And then at the same time, make it kind of messy. Don't make it too perfect, the lines. So I'm right here. Like so, make it a little, you know, dirty wise. Now with a sponge that I don't use, I'm gonna get a little bit and use a little bit, tiny bit of that yellow, so it can give it like that nasty effect. And so you see how it's creating that effect, like a dirty. Now to make it look a little bit more, a tiny bit messy, I'm gonna go in with a brush like this, dip it into my white primer and bring it all the way down, because this is where we're gonna put the purple. I'm gonna bring some of that purple right here. And then with another fluffy brush, I'm just gonna kind of make it, erase those harsh lines right here. And don't press too hard, just let the brush do its own job. So voila, now it's nice, well blended. We have the excess of it, I'm just gonna put it like that. Just gonna tap it. For my highlight, I'm gonna use the black light from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna dip it into that laser right here. This one, it's kind of like white, same time kind of like how can I say, like white pearl. For my purple lipstick, I'm gonna use the NYX. The color is gonna be 10 is Amethyst. And then around there, I'm gonna put a little bit of green. This green one from Wet n Wild, that is, let me open it up. I don't know what color is gonna show there, but yeah, it's transparent. So I'm gonna use that with my fingertips, kind of make it look messy. Like so. And then to kind of spike it up a little bit, I'm gonna put on from the green from Morphe. What I'm doing is just putting a little bit more green from that Morphe from the 12 Picasso palette. Let me blend this right quick. Now to set up everything, I'm gonna use my Pacifica Pineapple Flower in NYX for matte. I'm gonna wear this kind of, it's not an actual real hair wig, it's synthetic, so I'm gonna wear this one because I'm gonna paint like on the outside of it, I'm gonna paint green. With the green one for my hair, it's kind of like dark. Oh, it looks pretty cool, huh? So as for my finger, I'm just gonna kind of put it like this. It looks funny. I swear it looks green when it's out, okay? So between my toes, since I don't have shoes, this actually went in it, half of it. I pulled it out and oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh, it hurts. Okay, whoo, whoo. Take it, girl, take it, take it. Okay. So this is it for my look, you guys. I'm gonna go and switch the camera so that way you guys can see the after and the pictures and everything, so you guys can it might reflect the background, you know, like as it looks kind of like bluish though. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing, you guys, and stay tuned for the look. What I'm gonna do now is every now and then keep up with my YouTube, because it's just gonna be random posts. Like I'm not gonna wait for 1 week. I'm gonna be putting random, so it might be a little too much for you guys, so just make sure you catch up and you stay tuned to that. Alrighty guys, bye bye. plenty of hugs and kisses, and see you to the next time. Bye, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I finished with my look. This is what it looks like. So without the background of it reflecting, it looks a pretty cool look, right? Like a real Beetlejuice.